All right, so we're gonna work on our little cue book. And first things first, let's review what we did yesterday. So we decorated our cue. We talked about all the different ways to make a lowercase cue. We found our cues there. You did your puzzle and your pattern. Today we're gonna do our cutting, sorting capital and lowercase, and then we are going to do another writing pattern again. Oops. All right, so capital Q is written with a circle, which we call a swoosh, right? And a diagonal line, which we call a clack. And lowercase q is written with a circle, which we call a swoosh, and a long line and a curve, which we call a boing, right? So I am going to scoot my paper over a little, and then I'm going to set up my letters. All right, ooh. This one is fancy. There's some fancy cues in our mix today. All right, so I'm gonna find capitals first. First things first, we'll spread some glue. Spread some glue around. And then capitals, so we've got a circle, which is a swoosh, and a clack, which is a little diagonal line. We've got a capital, a capital, a capital. So far, those are easy. This one's like tall and skinny. Capital, capital. This one's like fancy. Capital. And I think this is a capital. Kind of looks like that. Sometimes they can look like that. I'm going to put it up here. And then the rest of them are lowercase. Sometimes we said a Q can have a curvy line. Sometimes it can have a pointy line. Sometimes it can have a straight line. And when it has a straight line, it looks like the number 9, doesn't it? Just like that. Then you can get your pencil once you're done gluing. If you need to finish gluing, press pause. And then we'll write our letters. So capital, lowercase. And remember, in our little book, it has a point. Capital, lowercase, capital, lowercase, capital, lowercase, capital, lowercase, capital, lowercase. Press pause if you need to finish. All right, over here, first we are going to go on our cue hunt. So you're using your yellow marker, and we are finding our cues. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And notice that every time you have a word that has a Q, the next letter is going to be a U. Q, U work together to make the sound qua. So we've got qua, qua, quarter, qua, qua, queen, qua, qua, question, qua, qua, quilt, qua, qua, quill, qua, qua, quail. Now, some of these are a little bit long, so you're going to have to write really small. And when you write, you're starting all the way on the side. So for the quarter, I'm going to copy it. Q-U-A-R-T-E-R. See how I'm writing small so it fits? I'm writing queen. You wrote queen in your ABC book this week. You also wrote question in your ABC book this week at school. Quilt. Quill. A quill is like a feather pen. You dip it in ink to write. And then a quail. We know the quail from the story of Moses, right? So press pause if you need to finish your writing. I know it's a lot of work, but you're getting so good at writing and so much better, and I'm so proud of you.